is going to Joe Zimnoch.
Congratulations, brother. You gotta do it then.
You'll have a moment to recognize Joe momentarily. There's a very long wording, if you will, for his contributions to the understanding of manufacturing, installation, and operational issues of high-pressure pipe type, self-contained liquid-filled, and extruded dielectric cable technologies. When we give this award and other awards, we try to keep it a surprise. I think we managed to do that yet again. Thank you to those that helped do so. I have 3 pages of notes that came with the nomination. I'm going to give you a bit of background on Joe. It is Joseph Zimnoch Sr., because his son, Joseph Zimnoch Jr., is also an ICC member and happens to be sitting next to Dad. Joe Zimnoch, we know him as Joe, not as Joseph, has been actively involved in underground cable industry for more than 63 years, with an extensive career working for one of the preeminent cable manufacturers, otherwise known as the Okanite Company. Joe attended the Newark College of Engineering at the New Jersey Institute of Technology. He received his Bachelor of Science degree in Electrical Engineering, the class of 54. He received his Master of Science degree in Electrical Engineering in 1958. He was employed by the Okanite Company from 1954 to May of 1995, where he was involved with all types of cables from 5 to 500 kV, impregnated paper, laminated paper, polypropylene insulated, such as high pressure pipe type, self-contained liquid filled, low pressure gas filled, and solid type PILC cables as well. He has worked as an R&D engineer on new and improved cable system types before working as an application engineer in the design, coordination, installation, and testing of pipe type and extruded cable systems up to, as I said, 500 kV. His overall duties included project engineering, the direction of engineering staff, handling high voltage cable system project. He had direct responsibility for projects not only here in the United States, but also overseas in countries such as Korea, Saudi Arabia, Chile, Yugoslavia. He retired from the Okanite Company on May 31st, 1995, after 41 years, but he hasn't retired from the industry, as we all know. He is currently employed as an independent consultant specializing in high voltage cables and accessories. Throughout his very long career, he has contributed to the IEEE Insulated Conductors Committee guides, standards, presentations, and provide a general understanding of insulated power cable systems. He is involved in a number of organizations, the National Association of Corrosion Engineers. He's a life member of IEEE. He's a member of the IEEE Power Engineering Society, as are many of us. His time goes back to the old days, as does my time. He was involved in what used to be known as ICC subcommittees number 3, 5, and 7 up until 1998, when we adopted the new committee structure. And now he's active in subcommittees A, B, and C, which of course we are all familiar with. His hands-on involvement in ICC has included being vice chair of Working Group C4, which was responsible for IEEE Standard 1425, which was the guide for the evaluation of the remaining life of impregnated paper insulated transmission cables. He's a member of Working Group C5, responsible for IEEE Standard 1406, guide to the use of gas and fluid analysis for electric power cable system, member of Working Group C29, IEEE Standard 1727, Guide for Working Procedures on Underground Transmission Circuits with Induced Voltages. And he has been, because of his expertise, he has been an expert reviewer for the 1992 and the 2001 editions of the EPRI Underground Transmission Systems Reference Book. You may recall that just 4 years ago, we surprised him yet again and recognized him with the IEEE PES Technical Committee Distinguished Individual Service Award. We managed to keep that a surprise. Today we managed to keep the George Bahder Award surprise as well. He's been involved in many presentations here at ICC, too many to list this morning, but all of those will appear in the minutes as well. And on that note, I will ask Joseph Zimnoch Sr. to please come forward. We want to make sure it ends up on YouTube or wherever this is going.
That's where it's going.
Instagram. We're too old for Instagram, right, Joe?
I do want to say a few words. You actually have totally surprised me. I had no idea you were going to do this. Okay, I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm very grateful, obviously. And I would like to say, actually, from the very start of my career up until the current time, actually, ICC has always been my favorite meeting, okay? And it was actually the many people that I have met here, the wonderful friendships I've established over the years, that made me a decision when I retired in 1995 to not go out and play golf, but actually decide that I would continue in the industry, actually. And it was a very good decision. I'm very happy I made it. And I wish you all the best, actually, and ICC is still my favorite meeting.
So Joe, your next task will be, and I will be writing to you, is to identify an educational institution anywhere in the world. It could be my alma mater, it could be your alma mater, it could be Arizona State University, whatever. But I will be in touch with you.
Thanks, Laurie. Congratulations, Chef.
Thank you.